Hey guys, getting free spins on Temu is very easy to do. Today, I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, you need to open the Temu app on your mobile device. Now, go to your profile by tapping on You from the bottom menu bar. From here, tap on Settings. And after that, tap on Country and Region. Now, switch your country to United States. And after that, sign in to your account again. Now again, go to your profile by tapping on You. And now you will see an option that says Earn free gifts and cash. Tap on that. From here, select Redeem Cash. After that, you need to tap on Refer Friends. And from the pop-up, you will see multiple options of social media platforms. You need to promote the link on these various platforms in order to get free spins on Temu. There is one more hack that I will show you. Open YouTube on your mobile device. What you need to do is make YouTube Shorts and put the Temu link on the descriptions. So if someone plays that YouTube short and clicks on that link, you will get a free spin every time. So these are some of the way you can get free spins on Temu.